Hello and welcome to Mr. Saeed Rahmati's channel. In this lesson, we aim to teach you one of the most practical topics in design and painting. In fact, this simple lesson can significantly increase your speed and accuracy in design multiple times over. So, join Mr. Rahmati and enjoy the pleasure of design and painting in a very simple and easy way. To stay updated on future lessons, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Negative space in design and painting refers to areas within the frame that do not contain the subject. In other words, it refers to the background and areas outside the subject. Please pay attention to the models. I want to tell you an important and intelligent point. Sometimes, if instead of designing the subject, we design the negative space, the work becomes much simpler. In other words, in the first step, we need to determine whether designing the subject is simpler or the negative space. If the negative space is simpler, it's better to start the design by creating the negative space. If the positive space, meaning the subject itself, is simpler, still paying attention to the negative space increases the design's accuracy. Hence, it can be concluded that in both cases, negative space is important, and its other use is controlling the design and increasing execution accuracy. Professional painters pay attention to designing the negative space while working on the subject. This method doubles your accuracy, allowing you to create more precise designs at a higher speed. This lesson, like the previous ones, is very short and simple. However, this short lesson is considered a big step in becoming a professional. So, take this lesson seriously like the previous ones, and increase your skills with more practice. I promise you that by watching step-by-step lessons in this channel and doing a few simple exercises, you will achieve great success in a short time. If you have any suggestions for future lessons or questions in mind, please reflect on them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be among the first to receive the new lessons.